Girl, hey, are you going to the park?
Yes, I am going in a while.
Oh, nice. I am going too.
Great, we can walk together.
Do you like this park?
Yes, it is calm and clean.
I love the big trees here.
Yes, they give cool shade.
Do you sit on the benches?
Yes, I sit and relax there.
I like sitting near the fountain.
The fountain sound feels peaceful.
Do you see birds here often?
Yes, many birds come every morning.
I love watching small birds.
Yes, they look very cute.
Do you walk or run here?
I walk slowly most days.
I sometimes run for exercise.
Running helps build energy.
Do you bring snacks sometimes?
Yes, I bring fruit or nuts.
Healthy snacks are perfect here.
Yes, they keep me light.
How long do you stay usually?
I stay for 30 minutes.
Same. 30 minutes feels enough.
Yes, it refreshes the mind.
Okay, I will leave soon.
All right, see you at the park.
Yes, see you there soon.
Great, bye for now.
Bye.